Welcome to episode 5. We're going to be looking at how all the Everlast windows are made, manufactured, and then installed. Come along, we're going to take a look. So this is the first step. The vinyl is going to be cut 2 size. They have a size stopper on the rails. So he's going to pull in the vinyl, that's the first miter. The saw blade releases, then he's going to pull it right through, hit the stopper, and he's going to repeatedly make these cuts. So now you have 2 mitered sides. So the saw is already set to 45-degree angles, so there's no adjusting. Each cut is made with precision because of that stopper. So every cut is the same. So here's the second step. He puts in the drain holes for each vinyl piece with 4 cuts per side. Adds 2 more for the interior. So then he comes to the other side here and makes some more. So here we got Aldo here using the welder to assemble the window frames. He sets the piece at the back first and then inserts the side pieces. Here you have a 240 degrees Celsius, so it's going to weld it together and clamp it, heat up those edges for about a minute or so. It then releases the heating block, and then after it clamps the window frame together until it's fully cured, and then once it's cured to the temperature, it will be releasing. And there it goes. Now that piece is assembled, the 3-piece, and then he would have to assemble the last side of it. So Aldo here is now going to add that 4th piece of the frame now, get it prepped and sized. Now it's in place. Make sure it's all secured. Add his block so the frame is not damaged by the clamp. And then we will add the piece of frame that was already secured. So this process is repeated for every single window. So now this window is completely welded together. And now Aldo's going to bring it to the cleaner / grinder. Now we're gonna be grinding the excess melted joints from the vinyl. Put them up 90 here, and the grinder will drill a pilot hole after it's done its analysis of the joint, and then the grinder will clean up all that excess and make sure that joint is nice and clean. This is repeated for all 4 sides of the window. So here's our next step, touch-ups. They also add a weather stripping. All the joints will be cleaned with a chisel, and then those welded joints will be painted, and all other imperfections will be fixed. So next step after cleanup, run the felt through the window, and then it's time for the mechanics. So this would be the rail to open and up and close the window. So you have the up rail, the bottom rail. So that would be the hinge part of the door. Now this would be the interior part of the door. So silicone is added inside the window. We check if it works. It works fully. She then will add the locks. She will then measure to see how big of a rail to add to lock and open the windows. She then puts the window in place. She will then screw the hardware hinges to the awning opening. Now to the next side, same process. Then the window is closed. We check for any minor adjustments that need to be made. We'll then attach the hinges, check if it works.
Lights on the beat.
That's it for episode 5. I want to thank Everlast for bringing me such a great product to the house, letting me go to the factory, see how their products are made, and what really goes into all the science behind it. Stay tuned for episode 6, and hope you guys enjoyed this episode.